Need a little bit of this in milk, superfood as well. It's good for us, it's good for our stomach, it's good for our skin, good for our bones and muscles. That's why I drink it.
That is Norwegian World Cup star Erling Haaland on why he likes raw, unpasteurized milk. Online influencers pitch raw milk as a cure-all. Well, but this year, more than 80 illnesses related to raw milk have been reported in the U.S. And our medical correspondent, Dr. Celine Gounder, is here to break it down for us. She's also editor-at-large for public health at KFF Health News. Good morning, Dr. Gounder. You don't get to be 6'6" like Erling Haaland because of raw milk. That's
genetics.
Genetics, exactly. But even my own son, I'm having this fight with my teenage son at home. He is buying into this whole raw milk craze. Why this surge?
Look, this is marketing. It's being marketed as a natural cure-all online, on social media. But as you noted, there have been outbreaks related to raw milk. In Idaho alone, more than 60 cases just since May. Wow. And that's among those who are reporting, right? A lot of people may be going under the radar. And then on top of that, you have the risk of bird flu in dairy herds, something we've been dealing with over the last couple of years. And on top of that, the number of cases could be growing unnoticed because of declines in CDC surveillance. So last year, the CDC made the reporting of several of these germs that you might find in raw milk optional. So that tracing network, FoodNet, which includes Campylobacter, the one causing the Idaho outbreak, and Listeria, are optional.
Okay, so you're talking about bird flu as well. So what are the health risks? What are the symptoms if they are ingesting raw milk?
Well, let's start with how big the risk actually is. So plenty of people, like Haaland, may drink raw milk and feel fine, but a report published by the CDC in 2017 looked at, for the same amount of milk consumed, raw milk caused about 840 times more illness and 45 times more hospitalizations than pasteurized milk. That is not a healthy choice. And regulation varies from state to state, and safety testing varies from farm to farm. So it's not all the same. These outbreaks have prompted recalls across the country. And the worst cases, almost always in young kids, cause a kidney complication called hemolytic uremic syndrome.
Oh, my.
And the warning sign for parents to know is bloody diarrhea. So that warrants a same-day call to the doctor, because that's a sign you could be tipping into kidney failure.
The more you speak, the less attractive it becomes. You know, I milked a cow years ago on a story, and you're pulling on the udder, and this stuff is raw milk really comes out of the nipple of the cow into the glass, and you just think, how in the world could that be healthy? So what are the benefits? Because it's clearly working for some people.
Well, I wouldn't say it's working. They might be getting away with it. It's different from it's working, right? And a few things to know. Pasteurization does not strip the nutrition that matters. People have also looked at this for lactose intolerance. There is no benefit.
What if you use yogurt, if you make raw milk with yogurt?
It is.
Make yogurt with raw milk. Is that better?
Yeah, yogurt and cheese made with raw milk are safer, but that's not the same thing as safe. And look, the natural label is marketing. There is no official definition, so anybody can call something natural. It may taste richer, creamier, sweeter, grassier, but it's definitely not safer for you. And a century ago, raw milk used to spread tuberculosis, typhoid. It killed infants, and that's why we regulated and started pasteurizing.
So you're not drinking it?
Oh, no.
Her face said it all.
Aside from aside from the illnesses, I'm not going to try it, because I feel like if I do, my stomach's going to sound like I put Timberlands in a dryer. So I'll pass. Dr. Gounder, thank you so much.